Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ready-made ice cream at home, easy method. Start by gathering 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup milk, 3/4 cup sugar, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. Whisk sugar into milk until dissolved, then stir in cold cream and vanilla until smooth. Chill the bowl and mixture for at least 1 hour to help freeze faster. Prepare any mix-ins like fruit or chocolate while chilling for a smoother process. Make a fluffy note churn base by whipping cold heavy cream to soft peaks, then folding in 1 sweetened condensed milk and your chosen flavor. Work gently so you keep the air in the cream, which gives the ice cream that light, scoopable texture. Add extracts, cocoa, or pureed fruit carefully and fold until streaks disappear. Scrape the bowl sides and transfer to a shallow container for even freezing and quicker set. Pour the mixture into a shallow, airtight container and place it in the coldest part of your freezer for best results. For extra creaminess, stir the mixture every 30 minutes for the first 2 hours to break up ice crystals, then let it finish freezing undisturbed. When serving, let the container sit at room temperature for about 5 minutes so scoops come out clean. Garnish with sauces, nuts, or fruit for a polished presentation your guests will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.